Good morning, everybody. It is approximately 5:45 in the morning. This is your boy Arthur White getting ready to start his day, and I wanted to share with you guys the recipe for the Master Cleanse, let you know what's in it, how to create it, and just take it from there. I'll probably be posting another video later on this evening, but here we go. So, the ingredients for the Master Cleanse, as I explained yesterday, is lemons, grade B maple syrup, cayenne pepper, and folks forgive me, I'm going a little ghetto fabulous today. I'm going to be using water out of my trusty faucet because I am too lazy to actually go downstairs and get the gallons of water that's currently inside of my car. So basically, here are the ingredients. I'm going to prepare this stuff for you. There's probably going to be some pauses in here as I do some clipping out. But I'm going to show you how to actually prepare the Master Cleanse right now, and hopefully this will be beneficial to everyone. Here we go. So, as explained before, 5 lemons, basically what you want to do is roll the lemons first. This will start the juices to working inside of the lemon so that you don't have an issue when you move forward with it. One thing that you're going to have to do is invest in a fairly decent juicer, which I don't have right now. When I mean a juicer, I mean a core to actually go in there and core your lemons. It makes the process much quicker. After you do that, you cut them all in half. You put it into a cup and take a look at the size. I'll just do it. Knife here. The next one. I also heard a trick to make lemon softer as well as to get the juices broken down inside of it is that you put them in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds. And that has a tendency of working as well. But I want my juice to be cold. Therefore, I'm not going to put it in the microwave, and although 10 seconds is not going to be a make or break time for the lemons to be hot, I prefer not to. Basically what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and start juicing them inside this cup. Squeeze. As you can see the juice is coming out. I don't mind the seeds in there. You can extract the seeds out if you'd like. As you see, I'm scraping the side of the cup so that I can get some of the pulp out. These are fairly good juicing lemons. They've got a lot of good juice in them. A lot of good pulp in there. So I squeeze to make sure that goes in there as well. The actual cleanse itself advises that you don't use the pulp. It's part of the lemon. It's part of the lemon that won't hurt you. I'm using it. Sometimes you just got to deviate from the program if you get what I mean. So far with 2.5 lemons, we've yielded a good amount of juice there. Once again, we'd be getting a lot more juice if I had actually invested in an actual juicer itself. When I say a juicer, I'm not talking about one of the centrifugal ones that you put through and it pulverizes everything. Just talking about a basic core, just something for you to use in order for you to get the juice up out of the lemon. I think it's called a core or something of that nature. So, just get a quick share in regards to how I'm still feeling. No hunger pains as of yet. No headaches as of yet. Day 2 once again, and I'm feeling pretty good about the cleanse itself. I had a light workout yesterday. Did about 15 to 20 push-ups in the morning. Did 100 crunches. Did a couple of chair dips and a couple of bicep curls, shoulder presses, and did a couple of squats. I'd say I did about 20-25 squats. Like I said, nothing heavy, but it was something that I wanted to do in order just to get me start moving and get my body accustomed to being active again and not being so sore when I start my workout in the next 8 days. So, once again, as you guys can see, I've yielded pretty good amount of juice there. I'm not exactly sure how many ounces this is. If I was a betting man, I'd say close to 4 to 5 ounces. What I'm going to do is take these 4 or 5 ounces of juice and pour it inside of the container. As you see, all the seeds went in there as well. What I'm going to do now is take equal parts of maple syrup. That looks about right. There's no science to this. To me personally, there's no science to it. Just measure it out and just keep moving. KIM. Shout out to all my friends who actually use that acronym, KIM. Keep moving. And that's basically it. Now, the last thing which I'm going to do now is use the cayenne pepper. And once again, rule of thumb is put as much in it that you can take. Forgive me, guys, I'm looking for one of my utensils to use for this. And yes, I use a knife to put it in, and I'll show you why. As you can see, when I grab the cayenne pepper, it's on the top of the actual knife like that. Drop it in and shake it. I typically can't put a spoon in there, and I had the tendency of when I put a spoon in there the last time, cayenne pepper got everywhere but inside the container itself. So, that's basically it. What I'm going to do now is fill this thing up with water. And take it from there. So I'm not going to be leaving for work for another 20-25 minutes, getting ready to get myself ready for the day. But nonetheless, I've got my batch of Master Cleanse ready. As you can see, it really doesn't take that much time. And I expect to have a real good day with this. Also keep in mind, guys, you want to make sure that you're drinking lots and lots of water throughout the course of the day. Make sure, rule of thumb, 0.65. So whatever your weight is, multiply that times 0.65. Some people recommend 0.55. And consume that amount of water throughout the course of the day. So as you can see, here's the concoction right there. It looks fairly red. It looks cloudy as well because of the acidity in the lemon juice. And this is basically what I will be consuming the entire day with water. All right, guys. Thanks a lot for chiming in. I will check back in with you later on today. Peace.